Hey, welcome back! Today I'm going to walk you through Voodoo, Caimera's end-to-end video creation tool that takes you from a product image all the way to a finished, editable video in just a few clicks. So we're on the home page. I'm going to click on Video here, and this takes us straight into the Voodoo editor. The first thing we see is the template library. These are pre-built video templates designed for any requirement. You've got lifestyle shots, studio looks, motion concepts, all of it. I'll pick one that fits the vibe I'm going for. Next up, I'll select a model. You can choose from our library based on the look and feel you want for the video. Now I'll upload my product images. These are the actual garments or items I want featured in the video. Once everything's set, I'll hit Generate Storyboard, and within moments, Caimera builds out a frame-by-frame breakdown of the entire video. You can see all your frames laid out right here. This gives you a clear picture of the visual flow before a single second of video is rendered. Not feeling a particular frame? Just hit Regenerate on it. You'll get a fresh variation without touching the rest of the storyboard. Keep going until it's exactly right. Happy with the storyboard? Click Accept and Generate, and Caimera gets to work rendering all the clips. Once the clips are generated, you'll see them appear right here. You can click on any clip to pull up its options. From here, you can edit the prompt for that specific clip. Maybe tweak the movement, the lighting direction, whatever needs adjusting, and regenerate just that clip without affecting the rest. Down in the timeline, you can trim your clips. Just drag the start or end point to shorten or extend the duration. Really quick and intuitive. Right-click any clip on the timeline to duplicate it or delete it. Useful when you want to loop a moment or build out a more complex sequence. You can drag clips to rearrange your sequence, or stack them to create layered compositions. Full creative control, all in one place. From the left panel, you can bring in text overlays, add generated clips from other projects. Basically, anything you need to round out the final edit. When the video's looking good, just hit the download button up here, and your finished video is ready to go. Now, here's something really cool. You don't have to start from a video template to create a video. If you already have an image template you love, you can fire it directly as a video. Just open it up on the editorial page and click Generate Video. That's it. And lastly, one of my favorite workflows. You can take any image you've already generated on Caimera and turn it into a cinematic video. Just click the video icon in the top left corner of your generated image. You'll get the option to add some creative direction, whatever brings the image to life the way you're envisioning it. Hit Generate and watch that static image transform into a cinematic video. It's genuinely one of those moments that just feels like magic every time. And that's Voodoo, from template to timeline to finished video, all inside Caimera. If you want to try it out, the link's in the description. See you in the next one.